Well, today we're here to take a look at a typical application and an R-on-I solution for handling drums in a receiving or production area. Notice we have two different lifters here. One is our 19,700, which handles up to 600 pounds. The other is our 19,000 that'll handle up to 350 pounds. So we have different configurations based on your weight and your drum size. In this case, we're going to handle a 600-pound drum, and the lifter comes, as you see, a dual mast, a wide set of legs, and I'll explain that, and of course controls to squeeze and release the drum. Typically the drums come in on a pallet. We've made this one wide legs so that we can actually pick up the drum from the corners of the pallet without having to raise or modify it. In the case of where we can do that, we prefer a riser pallet, which I'll show you here in a second. But now I've straddled the arms around the drum. I'm going to squeeze the drum then. You notice the controls on this will stop the squeeze. We monitor that. At that point I can pick up the drum, pull it back, and it's free to be moved around. Okay. Normally this drum will be put on a dolly and then move through the production area, or it will go to another pallet or a scale. In this case here, we're going to drop it on a pallet. You notice this is what we call a riser pallet, and what this riser pallet does is you would place your production pallet on top of it, and the riser pallet allows the legs to be fit under the pallet and access it. So depositing the drum, you just position it on the corners again, or if you have the riser pallet, you can do that. You lower it down onto the drum and then release the grab. Once that's open, you can slide the lifter out, and that one is ready to ship or be used elsewhere. So today's lesson is we have solutions to handle drums. These can also include the ability to not only pick the drum, but also to lift and then rotate the drum. So if you want to dump, or if you want to handle rolls where you would stick a shaft through, the same lifter with our squeeze-a-turn would apply. That's it for today. So handling drums and rolls is a R&I solution that I know you will like.